Hey guys, this is Jeff from fireplacesrs.net. Today I have a new product here. This is from Evolution Fires. This is very exciting, new, revolutionary, I guess you could say, electric fireplace. This is the Empire 3-sided wall mount electric fireplace. You can see this guy sits right on the wall. We've got a very realistic flame effect here in 3 different colors, in the orange, blue, and then a mix. So you also have 10 different colors in the ember bed, so you can mix it around. So another unique feature about this particular electric fireplace is, you see this is a metal finish here. It's going to be available as a wood finish as well as a red finish. I'll show you the one with the red finish now. We're just going to swap this out. We'll be right back. Okay, so this is what it looks like with the red finish. Let's take a few minutes and go through a lot of the different color combinations. This is the ember bed. So the ember bed, you have 10 different colors. And the flame, 3 different colors. So that's on the blue flame. Get an idea of all the different looks that you can get. Okay, so this guy also has a built-in heater as well. Temperature settings. And also some flame intensity settings as well, so you can increase or decrease the brightness to your liking. This is going to be available in the sizes from 36 to 72 inches. This mounts directly right up on your wall, has your built-in heater. So we have artwork here on the top. You can have a television, whatever you want up here. The heat will not damage this. The heat blows out from the front and your wall is protected. Easy to install, a couple of screws at a level, put it on there, and within a very short period of time, you have a new fireplace installed. So this is the Empire 3-sided wall mount electric fireplace from Evolution Fires. If you need one of these, you can give us a call. You have any questions, 1-855-485-4015. Thank you.